Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to subscribe to Netflix on an Android device. Well, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. After that, click Get Started here. And then enter your email address to sign in or sign up. Okay, and then click Get Started here. And enter your password if you already have a Netflix account. Then tap Sign In. Well, after that, here you can copy this link and open your Chrome browser to continue the payment. Well, in this page, you must finish the 3 steps before going to the payment center. Okay, in this section, you can select monthly price suitable for you. And then click Next. And choose how to pay between 3 options here. Cause I will pay by my credit card, then I choose the first one. Then here I will fill in the blank with my credit card details. Well, and then scroll down and check for this list and click Start Membership. Next, you can enter your phone number here to help you to access and recover your account. Okay, and then click Next. And in this section, you can skip it by tapping Next option at the bottom. Well, and then here please select the language you like to watch movies in. Okay, next you can select 3 kind of movies you like to watch. Well, after finishing the steps, then now you have already to watch shows and movies on Netflix. Well, that's the tutorial on how to subscribe to Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.